Recording I am. Oh, video number 2, I guess. Let's see. Whoa. That's kind of cold. I think I got a cold. I've used this lathe quite a bit on this project. We've got a cord down here. Goes somewhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, that looks different with these glasses on. Whoa. Very different lighting. Huh. Oh well. Let's see if we can show off this guy better with lighting. I gotta sweep up and clean up around here. Still got that snot on my nose. See that? I can't see it. And there we go. So, I'm thinking of, if I can, I think I can. I would like to put on. Oh, that's so wet. Ugh. Glue. I want to put a rubber pad here and here to balance it out better and for insulation purposes. So I'll do that. I use turn that off. Hockey pucks. Good insulators. Let's see. I'm just trying to think. I'll move this back here. Yeah, I think I can wiggle that out. And did I put a tap and die down here? Or did I put it back? I tapped a hole here. Half-inch, no, quarter-inch fine thread. So this is locked in place because it comes out like so. Then the spring goes down here to the center part of this part. It's a tight fit. Still, I like it tighter. Clean up. There's junk everywhere. So I always clean up the machine tools after I use them. It's a good little lathe. 4-jaw chuck. Mount weird pieces and weird shaped pieces. I use some straight. For aluminium, I use, this is steel, to straighten out, sometimes you get damaged radio gear, and I use this plus clamps and straighten out different things. It works great. So I got all these clamps and big clamps. Yeah, so clamp. Do it gently though. And some of these, once in a while, one of those. What? Hello? Hold on, turn this up. Where are you going?